Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and we're back on the filthy, dirty work van. And I'm going to show you guys how to clean the interior on your dirty work truck. Now, we picked up this work van at a police auction. It was owned by some terrorist group. It was completely beat up and nasty, but we're really getting this thing back into shape so we can drive to shows and maybe travel around the country and go to some cool places where you guys are at, just to show you guys how to detail like a pro. Now, today I'm going to show you guys how to clean the inside of your work truck, because if you're cleaning a work truck, I believe you only need one product, and that's the Masterson Super Cleaner. Now, this is the best stuff for cleaning your work trucks. You have a work truck, a work van, a tractor, a trailer, something that uses in construction or nasty heavy duty stuff, you're gonna wanna use the Masterson Super Cleaner to clean this up. Now, you can pick this up on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, what is Super Cleaner? The Super Cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner. It's a natural bioenzymatic cleaner that's designed to clean all surfaces on the inside and the outside of your vehicle. Now, this work truck is dirty. This thing has over 250,000 miles, closer to 300,000 miles on the clock. So how many dirty hands, how many nasty fingertips, how much food has been eaten in this truck, we don't even know, but we're gonna clean it all up today using our Super Cleaner. And I also have some yellow microfiber towels, just some old ones, because this is gonna be a nasty job. So we're gonna show you guys the dirt that picks up off the dash using the Super Cleaner. Now, you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, and this is super easy to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my sprayer on. I've already diluted this down 5-to-1. You can dilute this up to 20-to-1 to clean all surfaces. And this truck, man, it has 4 cup holders. So you can really go anywhere. So I'll put one right in the cup holder. Now, first thing I'm gonna start doing is wiping down everything, okay? I'm gonna wipe down everything. When I get a dirty used car like this car is used, I wanna make sure that I just wipe down everything, because how many hands, how many nasty fingertips, how many bodies have been in the truck, we don't know, but look, we're already getting nasty goo off. And the cool thing about the Super Cleaner is look how it leaves the plastic. It leaves the plastic looking like original. It's great. Now, let's move on over here to the seat. I'm going to try and like move my way this way. So we're going to clean a variety of different things right now. Now, this is a vinyl seat. Okay, this is the passenger seat. How am I going to clean this? Same way. I'm going to take my microfiber towel. I'm going to spray it down, and I'm just going to wipe this seat down. And whoa, look already. We're already getting the seat looking much better. This is a light gray seat. And I'm not trying to go heavy duty on the cleaning here, because this is just a vinyl seat, but look at the dirt that's coming off on here. Man, this is crazy. I'll go ahead and spray a little more in here. You can spray it on the seat directly if you want to go ahead and give some fast wipe down of your car, of your truck, of your trailer. When you think about it, how many butts have sat on this seat? Who knows? It's pretty disgusting when you think about it, but this seat's going to be looking good. It's going to be back into shape. And there we go. Now, this is a vinyl seat. This is not leather, and it's not synthetic leather either. It's just straight up vinyl. And this is super easy to clean. And now look, the seat feels nice. It feels original. It actually feels softer than I would say. Cameraman, stick your hand in here like your other hand. Feel that. That feels good, huh? Smooth. Fresh. I know. That's crazy. That's amazing. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, let's go ahead and do this backside too. Okay. So I'm going to spray it right here. There we go. And I'm going to take my microfiber towel, and we're just going to wipe. And this is easy stuff. You know, if you have a work truck and you want to give your car a good cleaning, you don't want to be cleaning your car all day. You want to be working. Look at that little stain right there. Do you guys see that stain? Really, work vehicles, they're about working, and you don't want to spend all day detailing your work truck. But if you can, you don't want your work truck being so nasty. I can't get that stain off. Looks like it's some really bad oil, but let's see. Can we scrub harder? Oh, I got most of it off. Okay, so let's move on to this armrest. This armrest is filthy. As you can see, it's really dirty. Coming on the top, I mean, a lot of arms have been resting on this, a lot of elbows. So let's do the same thing. Spray it with some Super Cleaner, and let's wipe it down. Whoa, look at that. Did you guys see that? How fast we were able to clean that armrest? That's crazy. Look on the backside, how fast we're able to clean that. Wow, that's incredible. That was probably the dirtiest part of this nasty, nasty passenger seat. That was gross. But look how fast we're able to clean that. That's why our Masterson Super Cleaner is truly the best all-purpose cleaner for any type of job. I mean, anything. This is so easy to do. And this seat is now original. It doesn't have a greasy feel. You know, if you're working construction or like a worker, like a plumber, electrician, or you travel in your van, you really don't want your seats greasy or sticky. You want them just nice and dry. And look at how nice and dry this seat looks. It looks original. Let's get the stain right here. Check the stain right there. You see that? Spray a little more. Boom. Wipe the stain away. Grease, grime, oil, it doesn't matter. This is gonna be the best thing to clean any area. Okay, now let's work up here. Let's go to the cup holders. We got some keys here. Let's put those up here. Lids. Okay, let's go ahead and clean this dash. I'm gonna spray the dash. I was spraying the towel, but to be honest, this car is so dirty that I just need to get the coverage of wiping down the dash and everything with just the towel. There we go. And spray it on there with the product. Now I love this product. This product is great. You can dilute it up to 20:1. You can pretty much detail anything and everything. Let's move over here to the window switch or the AC switches. And we're really concentrating on the front of this van because this is a work van. There's really no seats in the back. The seats are gone. This is for hauling stuff. So what we're gonna do is clean the inside, the cockpit, because from the front seats back, there's really nothing in this van. Okay, there we go. So let's move on to the center console. Come in here, show them the nasty cup holders. So you notice there's some stuff in the cup holders. What I like to do is take the super cleaner, I like to spray it in there. Okay, let's do this to all these. There we go. We got some cables here. Don't worry about those. Spray it in there. Okay. And I'll spray it over there too. Now what I like to do is let it sit for a moment. And I'm also going to spray everything. You notice this has no color and no scent. And since this has no color and no scent, this is like a true all-purpose cleaner. What do you see this? Pepe, look at this. Do you see this? Look at this. Yes. That's gross. Okay, we're going to take this out, and we are going to clean in there. So we're taking out this doghouse, man. This is called the doghouse. This is how you like access like the back of the engine on these vans. But I feel all this dirt inside of this tunnel right here. So I'm gonna like scoot this back and look. You guys see that? That's gross. Okay, you guys see that? Look at this. Oh, this is really gross. Look at that. Oh, that's a little disgusting. So we're gonna try and maybe like. Oh, look at this. This is gross. Look at that. Do you see that? That's hair. Oh, look at that. I really should be wearing gloves for that. Zoom. Look at that. Do you see that? That's hair. This is why I wanted to like pull this back because this part's gross. If you guys see that, look at that. That's gross. Okay, so we're gonna clean all this out. I'm gonna take these and we'll kind of like put them to the side. There we go. And now this is where I'm gonna take the super cleaner and I'm gonna spray the super cleaner on all this grime, all this dirt, all this nasty stuff, and let's clean it all away. Look at how easy that cleans it away. This is really gross. This is if you buy cars with like more than 200,000 miles on it, this is the type of stuff you see. And that probably has never ever been cleaned ever in there. But to be honest, it would kind of bother me having that dirty like that. That's gross. Okay, I'm gonna clean as much as I can, and now let's move on to the cup holders here. This doesn't have to be all clean, but it needs to be somewhat wiped down. I don't want to feel that back there. Okay, my microfiber is getting nasty. Let's tray it up. Okay. Well, I'll use this microfiber a little bit more to clean these cup holders. Okay, so come in and we're gonna clean the cup holders. So what I like to do is I like to take the microfiber and I like to just work it in the cup holder big time. Now I let the super cleaner sit in there for a while and look at how clean the cup holder is now. Got out all the dirt, all the grime, all the nastiness, right? I just work each cup holder. Here we go. So if you have cup holders, I like to go ahead and spray the super cleaner in there. Don't worry, it has no color and no scent, so it's not going to harm your plastic. It's not going to harm your interior trim. It's going to keep it perfect. There we go. These cup holders are nasty. Cup holders are probably, cleaning cup holders are like, that's the grossest part of any interior. There's so much food and other things that were in there. I mean, people put drinks and tissues and look at that. Nasty black goop in there. That's nasty. Okay, hair products, gross toothpicks. I thought I saw something come out there. That was crazy. Okay. These are just, throw those on the ground. Let's just Gross, okay. These are they're on the ground, we can deal with them later. Okay, we need some more super cleaner in here. Come here, guys. There we go. Okay, this microfiber towel is done. I'm actually gonna put it on the floor.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. Okay. The hard part about cleaning cup holders is that even if you have a little brush to get in there, it's hard to pull out the dirt that's in there. So I like to spray the Masterson Super Cleaner deep inside of there and let it soak out any grime or any nasty particulates, food or sticky soda or anything like that. And then I like to take the microfiber and I like to wipe it away. There we go. It's kind of crazy. If you look down there, you can kind of see the engine. Look at that. That's crazy. It's a beast in there. Yeah. Okay, there we go. There we go. These cup holders are looking fab. There we go. And now that area is kind of clean. That would have kind of bothered me. Okay, so we're going to try and put this back together and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I cleaned those dirty cup holders. The dash is looking a lot better. I'm going to move over to the last parts, which is really going to be the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks chewed up, but I think that's just from being used so much. But look at the dirt that's coming off. That's the bad part. I want to get all that nasty dirt off. There we go. All the dirt that's coming off. That's what we want to take off. And the cool thing about the super cleaner is you can use it around gauge clusters, AC vents, everything. And this is what you want to do to your vehicle, your work vehicle. You can do this, once a week or once a month, is really give it a good wipe down, a good nice cleaning. Get all that grime, all that dirt, all that dust away. There we go. And the same thing can go with the door panels right here. Like we have a door panel right here. Go ahead and take your microfiber towel, spray it down, and give that door panel a good wipe. Now this is a gray door panel, so it's gonna show everything, but look at this dirt right here, coming close. Look at this years of dirt right here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean, look at that, it's going away. Don't worry if we're flipping the switches there, look at that, that's looking great. And this is where a lot of dirt and grease and grime ends up, is where the switches are and on the door handle, everything. There we go. Check that out, guys. Looking a lot better. There's some nasty grime in the back here. If you notice, always, if you want to get in the back here, just take some super cleaner, spray it on your microfiber, give it a good scrub, and look at the dirt that's coming out of there. It's nasty, nasty, nasty stuff. There we go. And this door panel's looking clean. Everything's looking clean. Look at all the dirt that we've got off this nasty thing right here. That is nasty. That is gross. But we got the interior of this van looking a lot cleaner, and it feels clean and it's original. So if you have a work truck, a work van, or any type of construction vehicle and you want to keep it clean, you can reach for one product, and that's the Masterson Super Cleaner. It cleans all surfaces. It's a enzymatic, all natural product that cleans and conditions and revitalizes all types of surface, including interiors, exteriors, engine bays, tires, rubber, plastic, vinyl, everything and anything. This is the one product you need to get the job done. Now, if you want to pick up the Masterson Super Cleaner, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, I hope to see you next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on Masterson's Car Care YouTube channel. Now, thanks a lot for tuning in, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.